G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sophisticated Bogan. Today, as the thumbnail says, we're going to be separating the rest of the frame, forks and swing arm off the bike. Also a little quick update of my marquee. So the beautiful sunny Sunday here in Redcliffe. I am so glad that I got this for Father's Day. How awesome. So it's all sides, I've just got them rolled up and moved. Like these ends have got zips on them, so that's great. But it's going to be my little paint booth, my work booth. It's only going to be up temporarily, but yeah, so I can get hopefully this whole bike done under here. Obviously there'll be stuff that'll get done in the workshop as well. But yeah, so let's crack onto this and we'll get the bike separated, get the rest of the parts off and clean them all up, and then I can start getting ready to prep. This is the final of the teardown. This is what's the last of it, and then I can start getting things prepped and painted, and yeah, all the new shit all new stuff put on. Sorry. All right, let's crack on, shall we? Swing arm is now free. One fork. Now we'll have to send those forks up to get the seals done. Thankfully that's not very expensive. Just get it done. Said in another video that this is the replacement. So this one's got a lot of chunks taken out of it and this is crap. Not much to do to this one, but they'll get painted. Same with the clip-ons and forget where anything goes. It's awesome when you do videos. Look over stuff. Alright, so that's as far as I'm sort of going with separating it all. Alright, so, okay, so we have, the frame is now separated. I really wish the subframe was not all part of the frame. Anyway, so yeah, everything gets cleaned up now, sanded back, taped off, all that kind of jazz, and yeah, So fun times. But yes, so now, yeah, I think the fork seals are definitely going to have to be done. Before I put WD-40 on it, they looked a bit wet. So, yeah, so they'll get done before these actually get painted. Oh, we're getting there, people. We're getting there. It's just a mission. And now that it's we're in spring now, but it almost feels like we're in summer. But yeah, it's going to be a hot summer this year. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Make sure you guys don't miss out on the next videos coming up. Next videos coming up are going to be paint. So, you know, prepping and painting and getting things together. I still have a few parts to get. So it's costing me more than I wanted it to, but, you know, because I'm doing all the labour and the way it's going to look when it's done, you know, I'll still be able to make a profit. And that's sort of what matters, because I need to be able to get back to an R1. So, yeah. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. And as I said before, please don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and share notifications and all that jazz. Alright, see ya.